Hello dear subscribers, today I will tell you how you can easily fix your error. So if you try to play video and you can't do it, so how you can fix it. So for fixing it, the first thing you need to try just swipe up and just turn on airplane mode, wait a few seconds and just turn it off. So after you do it, just try to open the settings, and in the settings you need to find mobile data and just try to turn it off and turn on again. So if it doesn't help you too, you can also try to go back to the settings and find here general. So just open the general and here you will see software update. So just open it and just wait until it will check for updates. So if you also have available updates, just download and install it on your phone and try to fix it like this. And if it doesn't help you too, you can also try to find in general reset. So just open reset and just try to reset network settings. So sometimes it also helps too. And if it doesn't help you too, you can also try the latest way. It's just forced restart. So just keep holding low volume and power button until you will see here Apple logo. So just keep holding these two buttons until you will see Apple logo. So when you will see Apple logo, just release two fingers from these two buttons. It means that you successfully made forced restart. So just wait until your system will load and you will be available for using your iOS. So I hope that one of these methods will help you. Thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, click like and goodbye.